Google Ads have benefited advertisers immensely throughout advances in machine learning and smart bidding strategies. As a handy tool for everyone who is just starting to market online or manage multiple ad campaigns at a time, smart bidding has revolutionized how marketing budget is utilized. MarTech, automation, AI, and machine learning are terminology you have heard more frequently, right? Well, it will become part of digital marketing jargon as it takes over marketing management as we know it. So, let's get into smart bidding. There's more to it than functionalities to generate automatic bidding strategies for ads to rank. They learn and evolve to deliver optimum outcomes of conversion value in each auction. Did you know smart bidding can make predictions based on your campaign's keywords, objectives, locations, demographics, and more? Who better than Google Ads to rely on for optimizing the performance of your ads? When it comes to smart bidding, there are options depending on what your business goals are. Target CPA, target ROAS, maximize conversions, and maximize conversions value. So, why should you try smart bidding? Because who doesn't want better performance through increased sales and revenue for their business online? No matter your strategy, these automated bidding options have been created in your best interest, especially targeting your marketing objectives. Take a close look at the features the smart bidding offers. Multiple contextual signals. As attributes, the smart bidding algorithm considers signals when optimizing your bids. They range from device to physical location, search intent, and much more. Machine learning advancements. Algorithms founded on artificial intelligence that goes beyond human analysis consider parameters that influence performance and deliver more reliable predictions. Flexible settings. Allows a control to set targets and settings for specific business goals, optimize bids based on attribution models, and prioritize ad interactions proven relevant to maximize results. Insightful performance reporting. Advanced reporting with detailed performance stats bids and detects and solves possible errors that may arise while running campaigns. So why manual bidding is not as efficient anymore? With manual or enhanced CPC bidding as the only two options before smart bidding came along, advertisers were left alone to set their bids based on how much they were willing to pay for each click. With this came the need to devote time to frequent bid optimizations to drive performance in the right direction. With advancements in automation, manual tasks like bidding are becoming less and less relevant. However, there are some instances where these options might be for the best. Here's an example. You just launched a campaign and no historical data is available. If you wish to accelerate performance, you'll incline to use manual bidding. More than ever, contextual signals come in handy when optimizing your bids. The attributes you can consider when managing bids manually are just a few compared to the number of algorithm considers for smart bidding. Another significant benefit of AI and automation is that it allows you to prioritize the most relevant tasks on your plate instead of dealing with the time-consuming ones. The same happens when you go with smart bidding. You can rely on this automated solution to manage your bids, focus on high-level marketing strategies, client communications, and lead generation. Takeaways. As an essential tool, smart bidding in Google Ads is undoubtedly the answer to how you can add more value to your business and maximize its potential through increasing conversions. Smart bidding is the next step in the Google Ads automation process. Although some believe that the platform does everything, let's not forget that a well-structured campaign, engaging ads, and good performance over time support smart bidding to be so effective. So what's stopping you now from flipping the switch to automated bidding? We hope this video has given you a new perspective in trying out this Google Ads feature. You'll definitely want to check the next one. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notifications bell. Stay tuned for more.